lows in the lower 70s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Santee River near Jamestown. When? From late tonight until further notice. Impacts: at 12.0 feet, several dirt-blocking roads are impassable. Additional details: at 2:30 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.9 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage early Thursday morning and continue rising to 13.1 feet early Sunday afternoon. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and Gulf of America.